All right, guys. In today's class, I will be moving us into the topic that talks about how you can uh, scale up your profitability in the forex market. Welcome, everybody. In today's class, welcome. Good to have you all. Thank you so much for joining. If you're just watching this for the first time, I want to urge you to please subscribe to this channel. Then because you're going to learn a lot from this channel, and this is awesome and a wonderful thing that we do here. We break down forest for you so that you can understand it like A, B, C, D. So in today's class, I want to show you how exactly you can scale up, how exactly you can become profitable in 2 days. In just 2 days, if you can get this thing white and clear, you will definitely become profitable to your satisfaction. And if you have been struggling to achieve that over the years, today is the day. Congratulations, and thank yourself once again for meeting and jamming this video, because this video will scale you up, will convert something for you. This video will definitely deposit something inside of you that will drive in the profitability journey you needed. Now, one of the core things I talked about here is called trading plan. I said trading plan strategy, your game plan to profitable journey. Yeah, one of the things traders do not understand about this market is that the market is a psychology game. Whenever I talk about psychology, it means opposite of something that is opposite of the usual, opposite of the normal, opposite of the regular, opposite of the norms. Am I talking to somebody? So exactly this is what psychology means. It means opposite of something that is usual, that is opposite of yourself, opposite of something that you will have done on a usual way, in a normal way. For example, human beings are what? We are emotional beings. So in the market, you have to be doing the opposite of your emotional being. Am I talking to someone? So you have to be opposite of what? Your emotions. That is why people will always tell you, hey, I have AI to trade for you, I have robot to trade for you, you will not be emotional, you will not be this, you will not be that. In the real sense of it, those things works. But for me, I will tell you that go and look at those who are billionaires today through this same industry. You never see them saying I have AI as a training for me. You never see them. It's only people that are probably trying to sell you something. I don't know. I'm not bashing anyone anyway, but or trying to build. But I don't know. But those who I have studied, for example, those who have studied that they grow to become who they become, and these are the things that they stick to. It's called training plan. These are the things that they have in their cupboard. These are the skeleton they kept in their cupboard that men never knew, many never explore, many never search to look into, to get into, and of course copy and duplicate such strategy into them, into their whole stuff. So that things you will see them doing. They have a stable and a strict training plan they execute every blessed day. So training plan is much more than anything that I can begin to talk about. If I put my mouth into it today, I may not exhaust you till next year, because it's a key factor and a key criteria to your success and to your trading strategy in this journey. There is nothing you would definitely want to do that you won't have to what consider and then put in place your training plan. We are humans and we get to always overrule most of our decisions. You have this power to overrule, to make any decision, because this is a game of decision making. You don't have the power sometimes to just make any out decisions and this, and most times it will favor you, and most times it will not favor you, because of this market being a very delicate market. That is to say, the market will not always present you suitable and cool, comfortable, palatable opportunities every day. And that is where a training plan comes in. Am I talking to somebody? That's where training plan. So training plan is something that we can inexhaust if we begin to talk about it from now on. So it's something that games up your game, and scale up your game, and of course put you in that pedestal of success among the few or 1%. Am I talking? So that's exactly what we're talking to talk about today. And one of the core strategy One of the core stuffs about inside this training plan that I'll be speaking today is what I titled one thing I titled what strategy. Strategy. Can somebody speak to me? Strategy. Your strategy in the market. Awesome. I talk about strategy. I said what? Your strategy in the market. Awesome. What do I mean by that? Ah, good. Thank you very much. I mean, your strategy in the market must be highlighted. Your strategy in the market must be spelled out. Your strategy in the market must be visible. Your strategy in the market must be displayed. You have your conferences you always want to look out for before you enter a market. You have a market, you have a strategy market you trade. You are not willing to trade this one and trade this today and trade this tomorrow. And so you have a strategy you are definitely using and it's working for you. You have back tested it, you have looked into it, you have checked the winning rate. How far is this winning rate? Whenever I enter this kind of market trading, is it a resistance? Whenever I enter a support trading, is it good for me? Whenever I enter a trading market and does this and does that and does that and meets my criteria, and then how far is the winning rate? How far is the winning rate, this and this? How far is that and that? You have a strategy you always look at for. You must have a strategy that you look out for in the market and meet your conferences before you enter. If you are the criteria that in my strategy must meet my 3 to 4 conferences, or 4 to 4, or 5 to 5, or 6 to 6, all of my conferences that I'm looking at for, you are good to go. All those things must be met before execution. Am I talking? I repeat, all those things must be what met before our execution because we are normally human. This is market that involves money. And whenever money comes in, we are always impatient. I used to tell somebody, this market is a market whereby you do not have 100% patience or 100% greed. I'll tell you, woman be your woman. You always sometimes impatient will just coming to you because of FOMO. You don't want to miss out. Oh, this is the money. If I can enter this market, I'll be able to make a lot of thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars, millions of dollars. So we always want to jump into the market, always want to do some things ahead of the market or manipulate or do whatever thing. But your strategy will what put you in place. Just remember, I have a strategy I'm using. My strategy tells me I must meet 2 or 3 of my conferences, 4 to 4 of my conferences, 3 to 4 of my conferences. This and this before I enter. My strategy must tell you entering, must tell you exits, must tell you different lot of stuffs. Anyway, we have what a breakdown on each of all of these stuffs. If you want the template, we have about 15 full templates about each of these strategies. If you want to get the full template and PDF for free, you can comment in this section right now. Comment below and ask for it. Our team will send that to you or for free. Okay. And if you haven't joined our community by now, you are definitely getting it wrong. I want to urge you, I want to encourage you, I want to beloved you that please and please kindly do well to look into the subscription, to the description and join our community, join this family. This is what we do. And of course, we drop a lot of lessons, trainings, educations, and daily signals on our Telegram channel, on our community. Guys are making bastard and silly money every fucking day. You wouldn't want to miss out, man. I'm telling you, people, you wouldn't want to miss out. So please and please join us and let's do this together. I'm not talking somebody. So that is for that. So these are the strategies. So you must have a strategy that will tell you to enter, to exit, to what, take a trade, to what, not take a trade. It said it's ready to take a trade. It's not ready yet. It's not matured. It's matured already. I'm late for this. I'm not late for it. I can only have one entry. Okay, I can have another entry now. You must have all those strategy. Might talk to somebody. So if you need this strategy that perhaps you do not have any strategy as well, you need a strategy that we have a strategy working strategy. We can give that to just comment below. We'll give you that. That's one. Secondly, if you need a training plan breakdown on everything one after the other as well, we can as well submit that to your DM. Just comment in the comment section right now and ask for the training plan template. Our team will send it to you. Thank you so much. So that is for that on strategy. Let's go to the next thing that you need to consider. You need to what put in place before you become scalable, before you scale this, before you become profitable in this trading journey. The next one is what I said. Your risk management plan. Am I talking? Your risk management plan. Your risk manager. I repeat, your risk management plan as a trader. You must. and is a must mandatorily, compulsorily have what we call a perfect risk management. Am I talking to somebody? Because a perfect risk management will give you to some extent 60 to 70% balanced psychology. People don't know this, and that is the fact. A perfect risk management will give you what 50 to 70% balance psychology. Am I talking? Because you already know how much you're risking. Oh, I want to waste $1,000 on this trade. I want to use $5,000. I want to catch 10,000, 50,000, $20,000. Is it a scale that is that is visible for 2 to 3 weeks? What? Fine, it's visible. It's just visible for 1 to 4 weeks. What? Of course, it's visible. Then I can go into this market. My all my strategies, all my some conferences and strategy meeting up with it. Yes, they are meeting up. Then I can go in. You must have a perfect risk management plan. These are the things that will help you to scale. If you don't have it, I have a trader someone that once said, I want to think that he struggled mostly with risk management. Until he got this right, everything began to fall in place for him. Imagine him. He said he struggled for his management for like couple of years. Can you imagine such? Many traders always want to bypass the market. You always want to set stop loss, or probably you step just set stop loss and you assume that okay, it should come back. It should come back. You can hold losses for years, but however, you will never hold your profits for even a second. How? Why? Why should that be? You are doing the wrong thing. You are doing the wrong thing, guys. That should never be. However, if you can interchange that thing only, I bet you in the next 6 months you become profitable. You become profitable. I repeat, if you can intertwine or interchange that stuff whereby you hold your losses for years and then take your profits in 1 second. If you can be doing that, take your losses, know that you are wrong and take your losses so fast and hold your profit for years, my dear, you will become crazy trader. I'm telling you somebody. One of the appetites, one of the symbolism that you see in a trader is what they have the ability, the capacity, and the tendency to want to hold trade for long. You must develop that. It's not by deed, you must develop it. I'm not a fan of robots, AI, or none of stuffs. I believe I believe trading is a journey that makes you, that you become who you're not. You come into that place of potential, you become it. Am I talking to somebody? So you become it in trading. You become someone you want to. That's why it's not a thing that you also see one for 2 months, 1 year, do 1 year, 3 months. No, you become it takes a journey for you. The market will have wiped you, teach you lesson, and you adjust to it. You adjust into discipline, you adjust into patience, you adjust into greedy, you adjust into inconsistency, you adjust into different things. The market will have fine-tuned you and tailored you to who you can become. That's why they say trading is becoming a skilled trader, a skilled profitable trader. I'm not talking to somebody. So you need these things. You need what? A perfect risk management that you must always stick to. Oh, I'm a day trader. I want to risk. I want to risk 20 pips, IS 25 pips or 30. Oh, and that's what in risking such, I must be catching 1 to 2 risks what at least. That is it. That is what your plan. Oh, I'm a trader. I'm a swing trader. I'm risking 60 pips. I'm risking 40 pips to catch 1 to 2 risks what at least, or 1 to 6 risks what, or 1 to 7, or 1 to 3. Oh, that is it. All those things must be done and waiting out. Am I talking to somebody? All these things must be what? Done and written out. And then you must take it to them every day. You ask yourself, what is my trading plan on what? On risk management. What is my trading plan on what? On strategy. You must ask yourself. These are the things that will help you to scale up, and the things that will journey you into that 1% of traders that are doing well. These are the things that will take you out of the 99% that keep blowing accounts, struggling here and after the other. Might talk to somebody. So this is exactly what works and what will definitely make you. So that is for that. Is that understood, guys? If you have any question, please do well to drop it on the comment section. I'm always available and our team to reply you. And the last one to say is this. Awesome. Your psychology in the market. Perfect. Like I talked about you can see that I have a symbol, an image that shows an IQ. That shows your brain. Psychology. Remember I said this earlier that This is a game of psychology. I repeat, this is a game of psychology. Your psychology must be balanced, suspending emotions, suspending impulse buying or selling, suspending impulse decision, suspending irrational decision. Psychology, balanced one. One of the things I think that will help you to balance psychology is six management and how well you have experienced more and in the market. Also, psychology has to do with what you do not get moved by your wins. You are not you. I'm not sure you do not get moved by your losses as well. If you are winning, do not get so emotional. Oh, I'm winning, I'm killing it, I'm on top of the world, man. I'm killing it, man. Come on, I just made a K. Just made $1 million right now. Come on, I'm killing. I'm the lord of the market. I'm the king of the market. You don't let it get to your head. Psychology. You do not let it get because of what? It will make you to make out it will draw out irrational decisions or emotional dualities or emotional makings in the market, which will affect your trading plan. So you must have a trading plan around psychology. How do you intend to balance your psychology whenever you're winning? How do you talk about psychology when you are losing as well? Whenever you flip account, $50 to what? 5K, $50 to 50K, 100K. How are you reacting to the market the next day? These are what damage traders a lot. Psychology. Psychology. How to maintain your consistency in profitability. Psychology. A balanced psychology. You must have what? A balanced psychology written out in your trading plan. Have it written out. Everything in this. The first one is what? Strategy. The second one is what? Risk management. Strategy. Let me put it again. Strategy. Second one is what? Risk management plan. The third one is what? Psychology in the market. These are the three things, and they are flashing. We can flash up. Well, each of them has about 7 to 8 templates inside of them. If you want it, I repeat, kindly comment below right now and ask for it. We will drop it on you as a PDF. We'll drop you the template in your inbox. And then whenever our team will send it to you. If you want the full template and the full flashing of each of these, talk about the first one strategy, the second one risk management plan, the third one psychology in the market. If you want any of this, the full flash of them in depthly, we have it. You can drop it for you. Comment right now below and ask for it. Our team just support will send it to you. Is that understood, guys? And of course, if you have any question, do not be weary to drop in comment section. I will definitely be attending to them myself. I will be glad to attend to your questions and address this myself. So you can drop it on the comment. I will address that myself. So that is that on how you can have a successful trading plan and scale your profitability in this knowledge journey. Am I talking to somebody? So this is exactly what you need to journey into it. All these three stuffs are powerful stuff you need. Thank you once again for joining me today. This is another wonderful edition on this series of Forex education. Thank you so much, guys. I really want to urge you, please and please do not forget to support us by just liking this video. Aside from that, do a important thing for us, but just subscribe me, smash it right now. Smash the subscription button right now and turn on the notification so whenever we upload, you can definitely get notified, and of course get to watch our amazing, and anytime we daily giveaway, you can get to be enlisted as the lucky winner. Thank you once again for joining me, guys. I love you so much. Peace out and bye for now. Thank you, guys.